Hello, I'm Angela Greatley and I'm Chair of the Board at the Tavistock and Portman NHS Foundation Trust. We're a specialist mental health trust. We deliver services particularly to adults and young people in the talking therapies area, and we also provide training and education. So we're small, but I like to think perfectly formed trust. The thing I want to talk about today, and I've been very much thinking about the hard times that people are facing in terms of finance and some of the challenges they've got. And I'm reminded of the beginning of the novel. It was the best of times and the worst of times. And maybe we're concentrating on the worst of times, but maybe there's a way through to the best. So 2 or 3 things from me about integration, working across health and social care, and working across the voluntary sector, the private sector, social enterprise, and the public sector. And I think the challenge that I see at the moment is the challenge of sustaining and making relationships. The basis of good integration, the basis of good working together is all based in talking, in understanding, in trusting, and in relationships. And people have often, in the mental health area, spent a lot of time building up their relationships. And of course at the moment what's happening is everything is moving around them, people are moving around them, people who've been in commissioning have moved away, voluntary sector organisations are struggling around their funding, and the public sector's looking at that huge mountain it has to climb in terms of making savings. And I guess for me the importance is going to be, how do we hold true to the importance of the relationships we develop? How do we quickly learn how to relate to a new group? And how do we quickly learn to trust each other? And I think the most positive thing is to think about the new relationship with general practice, but actually they've been around for a long time. We've been around for a long time. And I think we have to look to the opportunities of how we can recreate working relationships with old friends and create new ones with people who are either re-entering or coming onto the scene for the first time. So, relationships, foster them and treasure them.